let's learn how you can unlock your iPhone with your voice. So let us start by opening our settings. What I suggest you to do before the video is to grab some marker or pencil because you will need it later. So when you open settings, you will have to open accessibility option and scroll down a bit. Here you will find voice control. Click here. Then you should set up it first. After you do set up it, click on commands and now click on create new command. Here you want to enter the phrase. So basically unlock my phone, for example. Now you want to click on action and click run custom gesture. And this is the part where I told you to bring your marker. Why? Because here you need to press and repeat your passcode. So with marker it will be easier. For example, like this is just the example. And now you want to hit on save. When you do that, you can lock your phone and just say the phrase. But before you do that, make sure you have enabled voice control to do this. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.